What?
Praise the Lord, somebody. I don't know what you've been through. I don't know what you're going through. The devil may try to set trap for you in the dream. They give you food to eat in the dream, and you eat the food, you become a winch. Tell your neighbor, I'm not a winch. Tell your neighbor, I'm not a winch. If they give you food to eat, and you eat it in the dream, you become a winch. The devil take over your mind, and you start behaving like a winch.
Una don hear wetin pastor talk now. Pastor say anybody wey chop for a dream na winch. Nobody in my house is gonna be winch. All of una are covered. God go protect us for this house. If they give you anything for dream to chop, make una reject am. Instead of make you chop that thing, wake up. I go buy that same thing for you, chop for real life. No chop am for dream. I will do what? Buy it for you. Very good.
I want to go sleep. Leave me alone. No, I will not eat. I will not eat in the dream. I will not eat in the dream. Oh, God forbid. God forbid. Daddy. Oh. They force me to chop for dream. They force me to chop rice and big chicken, not be the chest side or the leg side.
They force you to chop? No. Which rice be that?
Daddy, the rice big oh. The chicken big oh. I say God forbid. But I don't know who my papa be.
Cecilia, go buy big rice and big chicken come for Tegolo.
Tegolo, give me small rice now.
Now your dream. Now your dream rice. Now your dream chicken. Not disturb me oh. Dream your own dream. No, I will not eat. I will not eat. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. Daddy, they want give me eba and egusi soup with goat meat for dream. The goat meat not real. Oh, I will never join the winch. My daddy will help me. I will never join the winch.
Tegolo, they say they won't give you waiting.
Egusi soup and 3 goat meat.
Oh yeah, Mona go buy and come for them.
Bye-bye. This thing they walk up. Mommy, you go eat. You go eat goat meat.
Shebi na to dream. We go dream. Hollandis, George, Lace. I no go wear am. I will not wear it. I will not wear it. I bind you. I cast you away.
Honey, wetin dey happen?
Hey, they force me make I wear Hollandis so, honey. George, Lace, different colors, blue, white, pink, red.
God forbid bad thing. We no go wear cloth for dream. How much did they say everything?
Honey, na 500,000.
Nah, that one na the costly one now. I go give you 300,000. Buy. We not be winch for this family.
Amen, no.
We not go wear dream clothes.
Amen,
we not go chop dream rice.
Amen, no.
Only take go buy.
Hey, this thing they walk. Oh. Ha! Dream, here we come. Gold earring, chain, bangle to match. I no go wear am. I no go wear you. I bind you.
Honey, what you dey dream again?
Hey, honey, I wanna dream oh. Honey, they won't give me gold earring, chain, bangle to match. 24 karat gold oh.
God forbid bad thing. I go buy am for you. We shall not be winch in this family.
Amen.
We will not be winch in this family.
Amen.
Honey, go buy am.
Thank you. Just like that.
Mommy, you go spoil this business. So now me start am oh. Mommy, you go spoil this thing oh. You don't to collect.
Come on, shut up. Na me born you. Na me you use that sense resemble.
Mommy, you go spoil am oh. You go spoil am oh.
Range Rover Sport. I no go drive you.
Collect it. We need it in this family.
Mommy, not true. Collect too. In fact, you collect fisi, collect one small bicycle for me too. We need them. No, they look us, so you must collect them, oh. Mommy, you go collect them, oh. Mommy, sleep back, oh. You must collect that motor. Hello, Nami Bitegwalo, champion of worry. Okay, I know say when I enjoy that video, not just laugh, they go now. Okay. I press that red button, the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and press the bell, the notification button, so that anytime when we go do new video, you're gonna be the first to get it. I don't know if you're understanding me right now. Shit, God, my phone. Oh, God. Thank you. I love you.